It was a bright and sunny Saturday morning. The birds were singing, and the fresh air made everyone feel happy. Ollie woke up early because it was the weekend. He stretched, made his bed, and went downstairs. His father was standing outside in the driveway. He was looking at their family car. The car was covered with dust because they had not washed it for many days. Ollie smiled and asked, "Good morning, Dad. What are you doing?" His father smiled back and said, "Good morning, Ollie. Today I am going to wash the car. Would you like to help me?" Ollie was excited. "Yes, Dad. I would love to help." His father brought a bucket of clean water, a sponge, car shampoo, a soft brush, and 2 clean towels. He also connected the garden hose. Before they started, his father said, "Remember, teamwork makes every job easier." Ollie nodded happily. First, they sprayed water over the whole car. The water washed away the loose dust. Ollie laughed as the water splashed everywhere. Next, his father poured car shampoo into the bucket and mixed it with water. Soon, the bucket was full of bubbles. Ollie dipped the sponge into the soapy water and gently cleaned the front door. His father cleaned the roof and windows. "Good job," his father said. "Always wash gently so the paint stays shiny." Ollie listened carefully and continued cleaning. They worked together slowly and carefully. They cleaned the hood, the doors, the mirrors, and the wheels. Every part of the car became cleaner and brighter. After washing with soap, they used the hose again to rinse the car. The clean water removed all the bubbles. Now the car looked fresh and beautiful. The next step was drying the car. Ollie used a soft towel to wipe the windows. His father dried the doors and the roof. Ollie noticed a few small water spots. "Dad, I think I miss these places." His father smiled kindly. "That's okay, Ollie. Nobody is perfect. The important thing is that you are trying your best." Ollie carefully dried the remaining spots. Then his father opened the car doors. Together they cleaned the seats, the dashboard, and the floor mats. Ollie used a small cloth to remove dust from the dashboard. "It smells much better now," Ollie said. "Yes," his father replied. "A clean car is more comfortable and lasts longer." When everything was finished, they stepped back and looked at the car. "It looks almost new," Ollie said proudly. His father smiled. "We did it together." Just then, Ollie's mother came outside with 2 glasses of cold lemonade. "You both worked very hard, she said. Now enjoy a refreshing drink. They sat in the shade, drinking lemonade and talking happily. Ollie said, "Dad, I learned many things today." His father asked, "What did you learn?" Ollie answered, "I learned how to wash a car properly. I learned that teamwork makes work easier. I also learned that taking care of our things is very important." His father nodded proudly. "You are right. Every small responsibility helps us become better people." Later that afternoon, the family decided to take a short drive. As they traveled through the neighborhood, the shiny car sparkled in the sunlight. Ollie smiled every time he looked at it, because he knew he had helped make it clean. When they returned home, Ollie said, "Dad, next weekend, can I help you again?" His father laughed. "Of course. I always enjoy working with you." Ollie felt happy because he knew that spending time with his father was more valuable than simply playing games or watching television. That evening, Ollie wrote in his diary, "Today I helped my father wash our car. We worked together, laughed together, and learned it together. It was one of the best days of my weekend." Ollie went to bed with a big smile, looking forward to another wonderful day with his family. The next Saturday morning, Ollie woke up with a smile. He remembered the fun he had while washing the car with his father the previous weekend. After breakfast, his father called Ollie. "Are you ready for another adventure?" Ollie ran outside. "Yes, Dad. What are we doing today?" His father smiled and said, "Today, we will make the car shine even more. We will polish it and check that everything is working properly." Ollie was excited. His father brought a bottle of car polish, clean microfiber cloths, a tire brush, and an air pressure gauge. Before every trip, his father explained, "It is important to make sure the car is safe